This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Thyroxinol 100 tablet is used for managing thyroid hormone deficiencies. It is essential for maintaining normal bodily functions. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily used to manage hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones. By supplementing these hormones, it aids in restoring normal metabolic function, which is critical for energy production, temperature regulation, and overall bodily functions. How it works. The active ingredient, thyroxine, regulates metabolism and is crucial for the body's energy balance and proper functioning. Directions for use. It is advised to take this medication in the morning on an empty stomach, at least half an hour before breakfast. Swallow the tablet whole with a full glass of water. Avoid chewing the tablet. The correct dosage and duration of therapy will be determined by a healthcare provider based on individual factors such as age, weight, and specific health conditions. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include increased appetite, weight fluctuations, headaches, nausea, diarrhea, menstrual cycle changes, and mood swings. Precautions and warnings. Use this medication with caution in individuals with coronary heart disease, liver issues, and those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. It is crucial to consult a healthcare provider before starting the medication, especially if there are pre-existing health conditions. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this medication? It is used for managing thyroid deficiencies. 2. Can I take it if I'm diabetic? Consult your doctor first, as it may affect blood sugar levels. 3. How should it be taken? Take it in the morning on an empty stomach. 4. What if I forget a dose? Take it as soon as you remember but skip it if it's close to the next dose. 5. Is it safe during pregnancy? Yes, but inform your doctor. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below.